Want to learn how to customize proof pop-ups based on user location to boost your conversions? In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to do just that. You'll be able to personalize your website's pop-ups in a way that speaks directly to different segments of your audience, increasing engagement and helping you grow your business. First off, what exactly are proof pop-ups? These are those notifications that appear on your website showing live customer activity, like recent purchases or signups. They create social proof that builds trust and urgency. But by customizing these pop-ups based on a user's location, you can make them even more relevant and targeted. So why does location matter? Think about it. A customer from California might have different interests, language preferences, or even seasonal needs compared to someone visiting from New York or Europe. By adjusting your pop-ups to reflect the user's location, you can show them products or offers that make sense for where they are, improving your chances of conversion. Here's how you can do this step by step in Proof. First, you'll need to create an account on Proof. Link below for a free trial with exclusive bonuses. Once you're set up, head over to the settings, where you can enable the location-based targeting feature. This feature allows you to display different pop-ups based on the visitor's country, state, or even specific city. It uses geolocation data to detect where your visitors are coming from and automatically customizes the content shown in your pop-up to suit their location. For instance, if a visitor is from a colder climate, you might want to show a pop-up promoting winter jackets. Or if they're from a city that celebrates a local holiday, your pop-up could feature a special offer or message related to that. To get started, you'll need to create your first pop-up message. Head into the Proof dashboard, and under your pop-up settings, choose Targeting Rules. This is where you can define your location-based rules. For example, if you want to target visitors from Canada, select Canada in the drop-down menu. You can further segment by state or region, making your pop-ups as specific as you need. But location-based pop-ups don't just stop at country or region. You can also tailor messages based on language, time of day, or even device type. The more specific you get, the more you can refine your approach and make your website feel highly personalized. As you continue customizing, you'll notice that you can also trigger specific actions based on location. So, let's say you're running a special offer that's only available in a specific region. You can set the pop-up to trigger only when users from that region are browsing your site. And here's the kicker. Proof allows you to A/B test these pop-ups to see what works best. You can experiment with different offers, designs, and messaging based on user location to continually optimize your conversions. By the end of this process, you'll have location-targeted pop-ups running on your website, making your visitors feel like your store is speaking directly to their needs. Whether you're showing them location-specific discounts, localized product recommendations, or seasonal offers, this is a powerful tool to increase engagement and conversion rates. Before you go, don't forget to check the first link in the description to get access to an exclusive extended free trial of Proof, with some incredible bonuses just for you. By the way, remember to keep an eye on how your customized pop-ups perform so you can keep optimizing your strategy and getting the most out of this tool. If you found this quick guide helpful and you want to learn more about how to supercharge your digital marketing strategy, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.